Hit him with the update. So we just got the MT-07. It's a 2019. I'll make sure to give all the specs to you guys. Don's getting them. Sheesh.
What is going on, guys? My name is Chris and welcome to today's video. I hope you're enjoying it so far. Mom, I hope you are doing well and enjoying the video. Just to go over the specs for those of you interested, it is a 2019 MT-07. It is fuel injected, 6-speed, 689cc liquid cooled 4-stroke engine. That is a mouthful, but it is a lot of fun. Definitely the fastest bike I've been on, and it is a 2019, so it handles really well. Certainly different than I was used to, so we made sure to ride around in the beginning beforehand. As you can tell from the beginning of this video, I've always been interested in motorcycles. However, I haven't really been able to ride my whole life. I just got my license back in March, and I knew I was going out to California this summer, so the PCH, Pacific Coast Highway, was the next step. We started in Newport Beach, went up to Huntington, on to Long Beach. From there, we headed to Manhattan, Santa Monica, and finished in Malibu. So enjoy the rest of the video.
You heard me? Yeah, no way. Dude, it looked like we saw you. I honked a couple times, and then it looked like you were like ready to give up. Alright, update, we're on the PCH right now. I'm not really sure what city we're in, but we're driving to Malibu. Gonna grab some lunch there, check out some of our future houses, do some real estate shopping. Update? Haven't given you guys much updates yet, but clearly I'm still alive, doing well. Love you, Mom. Once again, I'm sorry, but we're having a good time. Peed my pants a little bit. Had to make a quick stop. We are currently in the center, in the heart of Pepperdine University. Follow me, come this way. And here we are. Got the beautiful 2019 MT-07 with the luscious, gorgeous background of Pepperdine University. Truly remarkable, exquisite. What did I say in Planet Earth? You got it?
Absolutely stunning.
Absolutely incredible.
So here we are.
We made it to Malibu.
We made it to Malibu.
I guess we picked the wrong day.
Wait, we're above the clouds.
And I'm back. Hope you guys are enjoying the video as much as I am making it so far. We are headed back down a Malibu mountain. We went up to the top to look at some $1 million like houses that overlooked the ocean. It was gonna be super nice, but clearly the conditions were not as promising. As you can see, there was actually a little bit of rain, so I was freezing at this point, got super wet. Also, if you could see from the beginning of the video, I actually wore Vans, which is not at all recommended.
Oh, yeah.
I usually wear boots, but I didn't want to bring any when I traveled all the way out to California, so I stuck wearing those. We made do with what we had, so
oh my gosh,
hope you enjoy.
I'm freezing, dude. Why am I wearing the beanie, you ask? Because it's freezing up here. That's it. I'm so cold right now. My hands are numb.
We're like in the clouds.
Yeah, Marli, show them where we are. So this would be the perfect road. We were gonna check out some $1 million houses up at the top of the hill. There's an overlook of the beach. We're in Malibu right now, and it is 6:36. Obviously, not obviously, but it kind of feels like it's like 2 o'clock right now. Yeah, we'll be good. We kept going up the hill. It kept getting cloudier. And then, I don't know if it was raining or it was the clouds or what, but it was freaking freezing. I tell you, it was cold. My hands are numb right now. So, we're taking a a little break. Bike's in the back, and yeah. What do we have here?
Oh my goodness.
What do we have here? What is it? What is it?
The sampler.
The sampler.
Alright, we're here. We just put up the Neps. See, cut.
Take two.
Alright, we're here. We just put up the Neptune's net in Malibu on the PCH. We just got the sampler. Looks insane. Crab cakes, calamari, fried whitefish, scallops.
So I'm actually filling up the bike one last time before I drop it off at the Eagle Rider. Premium gas, $4 in about 16 cents, which is super crazy compared to back home. I think it's about $2.60 right now. So as you can see from the receipt, it costs $49 per day to rent the bike. Unlimited mileage, the helmet rental was an extra $10. They provide a free half shell helmet, but I wanted to get the full protection, so it was only $10. And then they have different plans. I won't get into the details of that for insurance purposes, so that was $35. So in total, it was $103.86 for the day, plus another $10 for gas. In total, it was about $120 overall. Like I said, well worth it. I highly recommend it. And I'm gonna let the rest of the video run out here. Got some cool clips to show you guys, so I hope you enjoy.
Everything's the same as when you went out. Balance is zero. Security deposit will be released. That $100 hold will be released.
How many total miles did I go into this?
Did 226.
Cool.
And that'll be on the receipt. Did you want a copy of that printed or just email? Okay.
Whatever's easier for you.
There's your receipt.
All right, thank you so much. Cool. Awesome, appreciate it.